Women polling personnel. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variation in this training material, the Commission's guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will learn about the instructions issued by Commission regarding women polling personnel. In places where two polling stations are set up in the same buildings or compound, one polling station can be allotted to men and the other to women. Where there are a large number of women electors, especially Pradhanasheen women 50% or above, women polling officers should be appointed to carry out the duty of identifying the female voters. Two women voters may be allowed entry into the polling station for entry of one male voter. Appointment of female personnel shall be done in such a way that the female polling personnel can reach the polling station at least 2 hours before the start of the polling and assume their duties well in time. They should be put on duty in the neighboring polling stations through manual randomization by the observers, so that they are able to go to the polling stations on the morning of the poll day. For this purpose, the randomization of female polling staff should be done as: first category, in completely rural ACs, female staff shall be randomized manually in such a way that they are not posted in the Gram Panchayat where they have been residing or working. Second category, in the urban areas having 2 or more urban assembly constituencies, the randomization of female staff shall be done inter-assembly constituency wise among these ACs. Third category, in the urban ACs whose contiguous ACs are rural, the randomization shall be done within the same urban assembly constituency in such a way that the female staff is not posted at the polling station location or ward where she has been residing or working. Fourth category, in the urban-rural mixed ACs whose contiguous ACs are rural, randomization for rural areas shall be done in such a way that a female staff would not get posted in the Gram Panchayat where she has been residing or she has been working, and in urban areas, female staff shall not be posted in the polling station location where she has been residing. However, it must be ensured that female staff should not get posted outside the block where she has been residing or working. All pregnant women and lactating mothers, whether on maternity leave or not, or who are otherwise on medical advice not to undertake any rigorous or hazardous work, may be exempted from election duty. The district election officer shall inform well in advance every woman called for the election duty of the arrangement for her stay, private and separate arrangement for women only at the place of duty to meet the calls of nature as well as for bath and dressing, and unless such arrangement is made and information in this behalf is delivered to such women, she shall not be called to perform any election duty at any such place where the above arrangements are not available. Commission has directed to set up all women managed polling stations in each assembly constituency during general election. No specific color is to be used in all women managed polling stations. The women deployed in these polling stations can wear any color of their choice. No single color should be used for the paraphernalia associated with the construction of such polling stations. For randomization of female polling personnel deployed on election duty, district election officers should prepare a negative list of polling stations which are inaccessible or remotely located, and no female polling personnel should be posted to those. The returning officer or the presiding officer may appoint a woman to serve as an attendant at any polling station to assist women electors and also to assist the presiding officer generally in taking the poll in respect of women electors, and in particular to help in searching any woman elector in case it becomes necessary. The services of lady village level workers, Gram Sevikas, and the lady school teachers etc. can be made use of for this purpose. In polling stations exclusively meant for women electors, the polling personnel should have as many lady officers as available, consistent with overall security requirements. In case of women candidates also, the additional lady PSO along with the male PSO may be provided based on the threat perception. In this video, we have learned about the Commission's instructions and guidelines regarding female polling personnel. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.